Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Gooey beaten up version of the letter A from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a long curve down, and then curve it over to the right at the bottom. Then for the top, let's curve it over to the right. Then let's bring it down and out. Now let's move down to the right side and draw the bottom of the body. From the top line, let's draw a curve down. And then from the bottom line, we'll draw a curve up. Now from the bottom line, let's curve it back in. From the end of this line, let's step down and let's draw another curve up to the right. And then one more curve to close off the body. And that's the shape of A's body. Next, let's move inside and draw the mouth. Near the top here, let's start with a curve down. Then from the right side, let's draw a curve down and then bring it over to the right. And then from the left side, let's add another curve down and over. Now let's close it off at the end. And lastly for the mouth, let's add 3 curved lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move over and draw the eyes. On the left side here, let's start by drawing a rounded square on an angle. And the same thing on the top right here for the other eye. Next, let's erase those overlapping lines inside. Next, let's move inside each eye and let's draw a curve across near the top. Then let's move down a little bit and draw another curve underneath. In the left eye, let's add 2 curves inside the middle section, and then 1 line down on the right for the other eye. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add some details and dirty them up a bit. Let's start on the top left, and let's draw a curve down to the eye. Then for the top, let's draw a wavy line over, down, and back up. Next, let's move down underneath the left eye, and let's draw a curve down and up and back around, and we're going to make a wavy shape all the way down like this. Now let's color both of these sections in black. Now at the bottom of the leg here, let's add another curve down and color it in black as well. Now let's hop up to the bottom of the other leg and let's draw another wavy black spot like this. And also color this one in black. Now let's move down and let's draw 2 lines here and then 2 across it. Then move up and let's draw another blob and color it in black. And then a smaller one next to it. Next, on the top right, inside the leg, let's draw 2 lines. Then 2 above the right eye. And then 1 on the top left of the head. And that's it for Gooey A. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!